Okay, Jedi reporting in on a Sunday afternoon. Got plenty of chop left. Got ice and juicing. Ice and juicing. Got lighters, got pipe. Watching the ABC 20 News 24 on the TV. The basketball on. Change the channel. What else we got? Some other show. Got the skaters, got the helmets. Wearing the goggles. Got the ciggy. What's happening so far is, on YouTube, so far, last night and today, Jedi has amassed more than 1,500 views for all his clips yesterday and today. More than 1,500 views. The top one had 600 and something, next had 400, then 200, and a couple had 100. All cool. Looks like Jedi's latest clips on YouTube are getting pretty popular, man. Not as to mention that hundreds might be watching it, but thousands of people are uploading it and ripping Jedi's clips on YouTube. All cool.